Hi, I'm Clement Lee. I'm from Sabah, Malaysia. I'm actually retired and I'm coming to this annex and to do something that is pretty unusual in the sense that tomorrow at 3 p.m. At the men's stage there, I'm going to shave my hair. I'm going to shave my hair off. And the reason I'm doing this is because I'm doing this one to raise fund for the shark conservation and protection. And since I'm retired, I feel that this is something that I can do for the shark population, which is dwindling, and this is so crucially important that this ocean cannot be let off. This is an ocean that we call the ocean kingdom, and we have to protect it. And I love this opportunity to do this because this had been my dreams also to shave my hair for a minimum purpose. So that is the main reason why I'm doing all this. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
It's Klein Aaron, and this is also for a good cause. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, make your way towards the donation box. Okay, while this is going on, once again, ladies and gentlemen, we're looking for donations. The box is over here. Once it's going to the Asian Geographic Society for a good cause. So, ladies and gentlemen, come forward and make your donations. Two gentlemen on stage doing their part. Clement getting his head not shaved now but cut. So, if you want to make your donations, please do so right here next to me. Thank you. And I think Melvin is already done with the tattoo. Aaron, you want to come?
Green as well, right? Green. Thank you. All right, one more for me, please. Hi, it's me again, Clement. I look a little different from what I looked yesterday, but honestly, look is not what I'm looking for actually. As I said yesterday, it is imperative, important that we all, human mankind, be wherever they are, stand on the same side, that we must do all effort to protect this very species in the underwater environment, where we call the ocean or kingdom. And that is why I always say it's an ocean planet. I feel that it is important because the number of the shark, particularly the whale shark, are dwindling, is dropping. And I think they should be deservedly be left behind and left alone and swimming freely underwater so that everybody can see. And that is one of my main purposes. I've been diving for 30 years. I want to tell the rest of the world, future generation can see what I saw for the last 30 years and see how the beauty of underwater, they can preserve this one by collectively going together and protect the environment. A lot of people think that they own the environment. It's not true. They actually are the passing custodian. They don't belong to them. They are merely passing. So